Alyssa sold raffle tickets for the upcoming Christmas dinner. She sold raffle tickets. You know how you sell out those raffle tickets and it's a little ticket number or whatever? So she sold raffle tickets number 75 all the way to 148 inclusive. That means she sold ticket number 75, 76, 77, 78, all the way up till ticket 148. How many raffle tickets did she sell? Okay, that would be a seemingly simple question. All you would do is you take 148 minus 75, and you end up getting 73. Boom, that's my answer. Everyone agree? All right, but here's the problem, okay? The 73 is not the right answer. Here's the reason why it's not the right answer. Because, yeah, I like it. Everyone agree and everyone says no because I've been tricking you all day. This is a counting problem, all right? Alyssa's already got it. Let me show you an easier way to think about it, and then we'll get to Alyssa's answer. Alyssa, you actually already caught the question. So say that instead of selling 75 to 148, I'm going to sell tickets 1 to 4. All right? Now initially you would think, all right, you just do 4 minus 1, that's 3. But what I would do, and the reason why I brought the numbers down to a much smaller numbers, is because I can actually draw out the tickets. So I've got ticket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. How many tickets did I sell if I sold tickets 1 through 4? That would be tickets 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you count that, that means I sold 4 tickets, not 3 tickets. So 4 minus 1 is 3, but I have to account for this extra 1 that I didn't account for. Because what I wanted to find when I found 4 minus 1 is I found the difference between here and here. But I didn't include this bad boy right here. Does that make sense? So I need to remember to add 1 to the difference. So 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 plus 1 is 4. Same principle here. 148 minus 75 is 73, but I need to make sure to add 1, so my answer is 74. That's what my answer is going to be. I'll be honest with you, where I see this problem pop up a lot is stuff like this. A farmer encloses a fence. Now, I'll be honest with you, I'm not looking up any kind of problem that I wrote out earlier. I'm just thinking off the top of my head memory. A farmer encloses a fence or something like that, or encloses his garden, and you have to figure out, like the posts are 10 feet apart, so you have to figure out exactly how many posts he needs to enclose it. You can say something like, a farmer is enclosing his garden that is 20 feet by 30 feet. How many posts does he need? And he needs a post to be placed every 10 feet or something like that. How many posts does he need in order to surround the garden? Let's say surround the entire garden. So what you would do is, most people would say, all right, the perimeter of this thing is 20, 30, so that's 50, it's 100, so you need 10. You need 10 posts, right? Because if it's a space every 10 feet, then you need 10 posts. But if you draw it out, you go, well, we can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, oops. That was totally the right answer to begin with. Oops. I think that what trips me out is if like say that he puts the garden against the edge of a barn or something like that, then your counting gets off by a little. Like what is the perimeter in this case? It's 20 plus 30 plus 20, that's 70, but he actually needs 8 posts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, because you have to account for the post here and the post here. So you can't just, add up the perimeter and then divide by 10 or something like that. Does that make sense? I've seen this problem a lot, and this is where your answer will actually be really close to the right answer. But I mean, the fact of the matter is, it's a multiple choice question, and you're going to guess the one that's like one off the right answer because you didn't think about these small little subtle details, and then you'll get the whole thing wrong. My hint to you is this: take the problem that seems like really big and hard numbers to follow, and bring it down to small, easy numbers. Like we did 75 to 148, bring those numbers down to 1 to 4. Then draw out the picture a little bit. Or, you know, like they're gonna say, oh, this farm is 200 by 300 feet, or something like that. Well, bring it down to 20 by 30, or 2 by 3, or something like that. And that way it makes these things, these tricks that they're trying to mess with you much more obvious, and then once you get it there, you'll be able to apply that to the bigger idea. All right, I hope that makes sense to you.